Today we are talking about how you can use your laundry room area most effectively by utilizing storage. Join me. Do you have a space or a drawer by your washer and dryer? Maybe a spot in a cabinet? Pick an area next to where your central washing station is and grab yourself a storage bin. We are going to put the things that we use the most often inside the storage bin, so that way it is handy every single time that we need to do something in the laundry room. The things that I include in my bin, and you may want to include in yours, are clean cotton cloths, dryer balls, essential oils, vinegar, and cleaning tools, such as a toothbrush and spray and wash. Whatever items you use most often, you're going to be putting into this bin. Not everyone has lots of storage area. Not everyone can organize their entire laundry room because they don't have a laundry room. However, we all have a space that's close to our washer and dryer that we can utilize a storage bin by putting all of these items in it. Just makes our laundry room, our laundry washing go a little bit smoother. Please share this video with all your friends. Give me a thumbs up. Show me that you liked it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for daily DIY organizational and cleaning videos. Thank you.